welcome to the 15th day. And yesterday I forgot to run. But when I came home back from school yesterday, I was literally just obsessed with the subject. So I studied it a lot and forgot to run. But anyways, today is a beautiful day. There's actually no clouds out. Birds are singing, flowers are not blooming. On days like these, kids like me go out and run. The lesson that I want to teach today is about momentum. If you're on the same journey as me and you want to improve, the best way for you to improve over the years and months is to just keep going. Even if it's been months that you've got unsuccessful results, at some point you're going to succeed. So you just have to keep going and keep the momentum up. Today I could have decided to not run, but I know that I have to do this challenge, and I also do the hard work, especially when I don't feel like it. It is literally so easy to develop that if you just keep it in mind. An example of momentum is literally just running. When you run for a kilometer, you can go back if you want, but you can also just continue running. And you actually run better because you already ran a kilometer. Another example that I experienced a lot is doing homework when I was younger. I really didn't like homework and I didn't feel like doing it, but when I started 10 minutes, between 10 to 15 minutes, I would actually start doing it efficiently. Meaning that my dumbass brain had to literally warm up for homework, and then I would do the math exercise, the French, damn. And just a simple other example is thinking. Because when you start letting go of distractions of your YouTube and all that shit, you'll be bored. But at some point you're gonna start thinking more and more. It's so warm though. We're in the middle of the winter and the sun is out and it's warm. Unironically, shit from this place here, like shit from the cows or whatever, they actually smell good. There's a few smells that I like that other people don't like. I mean, I don't really mind the garbage, for example. I promised you I'm not going this way, but this way this time. These are the bitch ass dogs. Now we got deeper barks. This road is literally that with the dogs. Those two dogs that you saw are Cerberus. A lot of chickens. In this land, they all give me permission to intrude in their lands. And there's something about this tree that's ominous. Going down this road. Make sure to take pictures when you're in these scenes. This is literally heaven on earth. POV, your bowling ball part 2. This is such a dense little forest. is like a wonderland. This is my shtick. There you go. This is what a one block of water looks like. It sounds like there's a big river down there. Here is proof that spring is literally here. You see this pollen? Let's go. Oh, what is this land? This is wonderful. The contrast of the colors here are so weird. Like the blue is good to look at, but the trees, it's kind of like blurring my eyes. Natural water source. I'm gonna cross to the other side this way here. I mean, I'll try, but let's hope I don't get flooded. I got water on my socks. Well, I'm not going this way, but oh fuck, I'm going that way. Let's do it. Okay. Ah, I almost slipped. There was a bridge there, come on. Yeah, a new road. There's actually so much water, bro. Actually got the source of water there, and we got here. Oh. Oh. I mean, we're pretty safe now because we're on the road and the mountain is there. I have such a strong feeling to go there, but we'll go there next time, and I'll also record the water. I wish I could stay here more, but we need to go this way. But I also want to go this way. I want to go to the other ways I didn't go to. But that is the point of running, walking, exploring. I feel like a dumbass for the reason that for 3 years I've been here, and it's just like the last few months that I actually know what's around here. Whew, trespassing. When I get a girlfriend, I'm gonna put her here. This is where we're gonna date, in the middle of nowhere. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. So my plan right here is to climb up this... Yo, is that an eagle? I ain't sure. Sometimes there's just like the small eagles that fly above the mountain. But anyways, my plan is to climb up this mountain, and at some point I'm going to come up the road of the mountain, that which I know, which is like all the way from my home till here. Only in my country can find this. Ooh, let's go. So basically the journey that I did is like, I went from there, and then I went all the way here. I went back down, and then on the road here. It's all connecting now. So this is actually, every time I go there, that is where I film the mountain. And now there's some sheep looking at the mountain. I always thought that this distance from there to here is actually longer. But I realized with this journey that it's all connected. It's like when you're a kid and when you explore somewhere, the world just gets bigger. And when you explore a lot, the world seems smaller and smaller every time. I think that it's so dumb that people from here wouldn't get the reference of like this shack right there. Looks like the shack from Clash of Clans. Yo guys, welcome to MTV, and this is my crib. Kind of broken. Oh, there's a dog coming. I kind of want to enter here. There's a literal dog coming. We'll explore this abandoned house later. But for now we need to deal with the dogs. Cars can't pass here anymore. This is the perfect time for my mom to worry. Alright, so knowing that this road exists, next time I walk I'm gonna go here. And next time I'll also go to the house. But right now I just need to go up and see if the road does connect. I'm so curious about this house though. I need to know what's inside. The dog's in here. That's weird. What the fuck? Guys, the 2024 NBA is going to happen here. Very, very secured under this electric pipe. I don't even play basketball. Someone let this sink on. That's where the dogs are from. Hi. What's up? Come on, doggy. We catch. Yeah. Catch it. I want to build something here so I can be next to these beautiful dogs. Yo. Mary had a little lamb. Molim? Ne, nisu. Ne bojim sad cuka. The lady told me that this way, there's literally no way to get to the road that I'm thinking about. Well, I guess we'll go this way another time. We're going back. Bye, doggy. Bye. One of the things I'll definitely do in my life is climb places like these. Literally just walking up mountains. I love it so much. These are the ancient stones of Babylon. POV, you're a basketball. I'm going to explore. We're gonna go in the up part, middle part, and then down part. Being inside of that house reminds me of the song, like Libbit's Delay. Yeah, that is what music I'm going to put next time. Time to cross back the river. I swear this is so much better than Minecraft. What the fuck? Which water is there, bro? What is this place? This is so extravagant. And there's more water leaking, bro. Watch as my shoes get muddy. It's fine. And beautiful. There's too many ways to go. At this point, roads are literally just rivers. Are you serious, bro? There's more water. There's literally more water. Yeah, so basically the region that I'm in has like 60-70% of Europe's water. So I'm not surprised that there's water everywhere. I'm not even kidding, bro. Look at this and look at that. There's too much water. It all interconnects, I swear. It all interconnects. I'll pull up the footage of when I was exactly on these walls here, there. And then you compare it to here, and I was just there. I was literally just there. I know all of it now. And the road that I'm talking about is here all the way to there. And I know that if there was a road up here, we could join this way there. I did the equivalent of 1 hour of walking, meaning that's like 5 minutes of running. And I'm not going to run back home, man. But yeah, I'm glad that I know what's there, and exactly there is the abandoned house. It actually seems also smaller, the world. And at the end of the challenge, I want to climb these mountains, and you'll see the beauty of all of this. Prove that spring is here. There's literally a yellow butterfly. Yellow like the color of butter, fly, butterfly. The lesson of today's run is to just enjoy nature. When you can, just go out in the trees, the woods, the plains, wherever you can to see green stuff. And regardless of where you live, I want you to explore. Because exploring will literally just make the world so smaller, but you'll have more desire to know what's out there. I wish you a good day, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.